Lentil Winter Melon Coconut Stew, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the veg recipes and one of the most nutritious of the lentil recipes and one of the most unique of the winter melon recipes and one of the most different of the coconut recipes. Today we are going to make lentil winter melon coconut stew. The ingredients are 100 grams of lentil soaked in water for 4 to 5 hours, 100 grams of grated coconut, 1 spoon of coriander seeds, 2 spoons of fennel seeds, 1 onion cut into pieces, 10 shallots, 25 grams of garlic, 25 grams of ginger, 1 tomato cut into pieces, 3 red chillies, and around 200 grams of winter melon. Into the grinder, put in the coriander and the fennel seeds. Put in the 1 red chilli and the grated coconut. Put in 1 or 2 shallots and some garlic and ginger, a piece each. Now add 5 ml of water and close and grind well. Heat the pan and pour in 10 ml of oil. Let the oil get heated. Spread the oil in the pan. Put in the onion. Salt. Curry. Salt. Saute. Put in the shallots, salt, mix thoroughly. salt, then the red chili, put in the tomato pieces, put in the winter melon pieces, saute and mix the winter melon pieces with the tomatoes. Keep on sauteing. Put in salt to taste. Mix. Put in the lentil, mix. Mix the lentil with the rest of the ingredients. Now put in the coconut, fennel, coriander mixture that we ground earlier and mix. mix and saute thoroughly. Thoroughly saute and mix. Now pour in 250 ml of water, 250 to 300 ml of water, and let the mixture cook for 10 to 12 minutes if in the pressure cooker, or 15 to 20 minutes if in the open pan. Now the lentil winter melon coconut stew is ready and can be taken off the flame and served. This is the final lentil winter melon coconut stew, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the veg recipes and one of the most unique of the coconut recipes and one of the most nutritious of the lentil recipes and one of the most different of the winter melon recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.